So we just kind of decided to go for an explore, as they would say in New Zealand. To open it.
Yeah, wow.
Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth with Live Simple.
Live free. And you know, just like everybody else in the world practically, we've been cooped up and eager to get out somewhere. And so we just kind of decided to go for an explore, as they would say in New Zealand.
Really? That's what they say in New Zealand?
Go for an explore.
Oh, that's cool.
So we looked on the map and we found this state park called Claytor Lake State Park. So we figured we'd go on a little bit of a road trip and check out this park. We'll see what we find. And we got my dad with us. So he's as eager as we are to get out of the house, any more than just to Walmart and back.
And he's not even going to Walmart.
Right.
He just goes over to the park.
Well, coming up to the entrance seems to be a popular spot for a Saturday anyway. So this is the parking area for the swimming area, and it seems that even in the middle of a COVID, it's a very popular place. I think this is like the bathhouse. I don't know, bathrooms and showers maybe, I'm not sure.
Putting on sunblock.
What do you think? Is this a beautiful place or what?
Yeah, it is. I love looking at the lake.
Very nice swimming area, though we will not be swimming today. Over here's the marina. You can launch your boat there and you can actually dock your boat there. This is Claytor Lake is a reservoir, a man-made reservoir, but it's quite large from what I understand. This is a beautiful park. It's all manicured, lots of big trees, lots of lawn, the lake with the beach and the marina. The one thing that really surprises me is there are no benches around anywhere to sit. They have picnic areas where they have, you know, picnic tables. But in here, where around the beach area, there's no benches and things. And my father, of course, needs a place to sit. So we found a place right there behind me where it's an eating area, and there's some picnic benches inside of underneath of the awning there, the roof there. So Pop and Elizabeth are sitting in there right now and just enjoying the beauty. But I wish we had brought some lawn chairs or something so we could sit out here under a shade tree instead of in there under the roof. What do you think, dear?
Oh yeah, it's really beautiful here. I'm looking forward to swimming at some point.
Yeah, we didn't bring our suits today, but it looks like everybody else did.
And I'm glad Like the shower room is still open. But the shower room is still open, which is great, but they limit the number of people and you have to wear a mask. So they're trying to be really careful. So, yeah.
So it looks like maybe we have found one of the gems of Virginia. They also have quite a large camping area here. We'll have to come down here and spend a week in our RV. That would be really cool. So Claytor Lake is actually a dam on the New River in southern Virginia. And when they dammed it up, apparently there was a town down in the valley, and they didn't take the town away. They just left it there, and the town got completely inundated and flooded out. As far as I know, it's still there. But this building behind me was up on a bluff overlooking the village, and this is now the visitor center and the park office. It's a beautiful building, very old house. I don't know any of the details of it, but it just looks very, very nice, and this is the park office. Looks like it's been here for a while. And so from the park office and visitor center right there, you can see it's overlooking the lake. There's a little bit of an isthmus here. There's a gazebo out there on the end. Looks like they're setting up chairs for maybe a wedding or something out there.
So I found this lovely rocking chair on the porch. This is a beautiful house. Somebody told us, by the way, the wedding is going to be in just a couple of hours. It's so cool. Look how huge these windows are. They are amazing. Yeah. That's pretty cool in a house this old. It's like they
go all the way to the floor.
Right. Yeah, they're absolutely stunningly beautiful. Oh, it's so pretty here. Flowers. It's gonna be a beautiful spot for a wedding. Yes.
They have a nice path over there. But they have this crazy little path here.
Yeah.
It's cute.
Did you see those chairs they're setting up out there by the gazebo?
Yeah.
There's going to be a wedding at 3 o'clock today.
Uh-huh. Well, this is a beautiful spot.
It really is.
Wherever you live in North Dakota or whatever, come out here, you'll enjoy it.
North Dakota. If you want to see a tree from North Dakota, if you want to see a tree, come to Claytor Lake State Park.
Yeah.
Not far from Claytor Lake is a town called Christiansburg. And this chimney, formerly of the home of William Christian, and Christiansburg was named after him. He was the brother-in-law of Patrick Henry and a frontier militia commander, and it was built in about 1772. So Elizabeth and Pop are sitting up in the shade on a bench by the visitor center. I'm walking around a little bit because it's really hot out here. It's 90 something and blazing sun. But behind me is the gazebo where they're going to be having that wedding in a couple of hours. They're just setting up the chairs. And this is kind of like on a little point, little isthmus that sticks out into the lake. It's really a beautiful place for a wedding. So they also have a very nice campground here. I think they have 4 different camping areas. I think 1 or 2 might be just for tents, but in this area is all RVs and full hookups and all that. Really beautiful.
Yeah.
They're not terribly far apart, but they're not nearly as close together as I've seen some of them.
Yeah.
So we need to bring our RV down here and spend a few days.
Yeah, we'll have to do that.
Yeah, this is absolutely beautiful place.
And it's been such a beautiful day.
Yeah. So thank you for coming along with us to explore Claytor Lake State Park in Virginia.
Pop appreciated it too.
Yeah, he's had a lot of fun, but he hasn't done a whole lot of walking.
Right, we're sure.
He goes from the car to a bench under a tree and back to the car again, but he's enjoying the beauty just like we do.
Yep.
So, all right. Boats, everywhere, boats.
Cool.
All right, guys, thanks for coming along.
It was simple.
Live free. You be blessed. We'll see you next time.
Yep, love you guys. We'll see you soon.
All right, bye-bye.